Today we are going to learn about place value in maths. But before learning place value, let us have a quick recap of the previous lesson learned, that is counting in groups. Children, I taught you in the previous chapter how to count in groups. That was forming bundle of sticks in groups of 10. That is tying 10 sticks together and forming a group. So we had learnt about counting in groups, and we had also learnt about counting in units, that is singles. Counting each stick at a time. So when we count one single stick at a time, it is also called as one unit. And counting in groups of tens, that is taking 10 sticks at a time, is also called as tens. So in this example, we have 3 bundles of tens. So we get the number 3 tens and 5 units, that is 5 singles. This is what we had learned in the previous chapter. Today we are going to learn about place value. So let us learn place value. I had also taught you that T is equal to tens and U is equal to units. I repeat, T is equal to tens, U is equal to units. Now, let us learn what is place value. Place value is the value of each digit in a number, which means the value of each number. Each number in maths has a value. So today we are going to learn about place value. Now I'll be showing you some examples to learn the place value of the digits. Let us take the first example. We have the number 25. In the number 25, we have 2 in the tens place. If we open the bundle with sticks, we get 20 single sticks. That is 20 units. That is why the place value of 2 in the number 25 is 20, because we get 20 sticks. That is 2 tens. As 5 is in the units place, that is 5 single sticks, the place value of number 5 is 5 units. Now let us take the second example. In the second example, we have the number 43. Here we have strings of beads which has 10 beads in each string. So when we open the strings, we'll get 10 single beads, which means 40 single beads. Therefore, the place value of 4 in the number 43 is 40, that is 4 tens. And the place value of 3 in the number 43 is 3 units, because we get 3 single beads. Now, let us see the examples of place value from your textbook, that is page 15. Let us look at the first example. We have the number 35. So 3 is in the tens place and 5 is in the units place. So the value of 3 in the number 35 is 30, that is 3 blocks of tens. So the place value of 3 is 30 and 5 is 5 units, that is 5, because we have 5 single boxes. Let us look at the second example. We have the number 50. So we have 5 in the tens place and 0 in the units place. So the value of 5 is 50 and the value of 0 is 0. Let us now do the exercise which is given down. Let us look at the first example. Units, that is 6 singles. So we get the number 6. But look at the second example. In the second example, we have 2 strings of 20 beads and 6 single beads. So we have 2 in the tens place, that is 20 single beads, and 6 in the units place, that is 6 single beads. Let us do this example. We have 4 bundles in the tens column. So we write 4 in the tens column. And we have 2 single sticks in the units column. So we write 2 in the units columns. As we have 4 bundles of sticks, but in each bundle we have 10 sticks. So that is 10, 20, 30, 40. Here we write 40. And here there are 2 single sticks. So we write 2. Which means the place value of 4 in the tens place is 40 and 2 in the units place is 2. Now, let us look at the other example. We have 3 notes of 10, which means 3 in tens place, and 4 coins of 1 rupee each. So that is 4 in units place. We have here the note of 10 rupees. So when we count, we get 10, 20, 30. So we write 30 here. And we have 4 1 rupee coins. So we write 4 in the units column. This is how we get. So the place value of 3 here is 30 and 4 is 4. Let us now look at the exercise on page number 16. First, let us see the examples. Tell the place value of each underlined digit. Digit means the number. So we are going to write the place value of the underlined number. The first number is 18 and number 1 is underlined here. So the place value of 1 is 10 because 1 is in the tens place, as 1 is in the tens place. Let us look at the second example now. The number is 23 and number 3 is underlined here. The place value of 3 is 3. Why? Because 3 is in the units place, as 3 is in the units place. Let us look at the next example. 65. 5 is underlined here. The place value of 5 is 5. Why? Because 5 is in the units place, as 5 is in the units place. The next example. The place value of 7 is 70. Why is it 70? Because 7 is in the tens place, as 7 is in the tens place. Now, let us solve. 50. the number 0 is underlined here. So the place value of 0 is 0, as 0 is in the units place. This is how you are going to solve the other examples, that is the other 4 sums which are left. Now, let us see the other exercise which is there down. Now write the place value of each digit in the numbers given below. The first example, 22. 22, which means 20 in the tens place and 2 in the units place. So for the next example, that is for the next sum, we have the number 38. So we write 30 in the tens place and 8 in the units place. In the same way, the next number 41, we write 40 in the tens place and 1 in the units place. This is how you are going to do the other 2 sums.